Today, I have a beautiful home for you. It was built in 2019. It boasts over 2,400 square feet. It is bright, it's breathtaking, and it is brilliant. It is best that you come and take a look.
Welcome home to this like-new 4-bedroom, 2-bath oasis on a sprawling 1-acre lot. Featuring an open concept floor plan with a spacious living area with fireplace. Open to the beautiful light and bright kitchen with large island, and all the bells and whistles, including a mudroom and large pantry. You can enjoy the peace and tranquility of your own private space in the isolated owner's suite with deluxe master bath. The covered front and back patios provide plenty of room to entertain family and friends. Imagine hosting summer barbecues in this amazing outdoor space. There's even enough room for a pool or fire pit. Don't miss out on what could be your forever home.
This one is beyond belief, and it's in Bushland. It would be beneficial for you to call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.